The system you are looking at is incredibly fascinating and powerful, and as you can see, it powers a massive generator. Its electricity generation capacity is so high that it can even power a welding machine, allowing you to weld with it. Of course, there are other methods to generate free electricity as well. Alright, let's move on to the next method. This method is much easier than the previous one. Connect a generator to an electric motor using a fan belt, and all you need to do is spin the generator. By doing this, the electric motor spins, generates a lot of electricity, and you can get free power from it. An even simpler method than the last two is to place a magnet over a coil like this to generate electricity. This turns the light bulb on. Now, if you want to set up solar power with decent output, use a large number of CDs and place them facing the sun just like this. You can see that it easily powers the fan and can even run a heavy-duty jackhammer. Hello everyone. Every single video you just watched was a fake. Seriously, why do some people still fall for these videos? In reality, the creators of these types of videos just want to get views and make money from them. And unfortunately, many people actually believe these videos, wasting both their time and money trying to build them. In this video, I am going to share a method with you so you can easily spot these fake videos. Pay close attention. If you see a system in a video that generates energy without consuming any energy, you can be absolutely sure that the video is fake. However, if energy is supplied to it from an external source and it generates energy, that makes sense, it's acceptable, and the video is real. In fact, fake systems do not have any continuous energy applied to them, yet they claim to generate energy out of nothing. Examples like gasoline engines and solar panels receive continuous energy, which is why they are real systems. For instance, this spinning wheel with half-full bottles is one of those fake videos and is not real at all. Some videos are completely fake, even though they might seem reasonable at first glance. For example, in this video, you can see that a small wind turbine spinning at this speed cannot even generate 5 watts of electricity. Yet, in this video, they have connected it to a relatively large generator, which is an absolute lie. If you look at the surrounding trees, you'll see there is no wind blowing at all. In reality, that generator is actually a geared electric motor that is spinning the turbine, powered by regular mains electricity. There are so many videos just like this one, and they get a ton of likes, which shows that people's understanding of energy is unfortunately very weak. And it's honestly shocking to see what kind of people actually believe them. Alright, now I'm going to pull off a fake stunt myself so you can see just how easily these things can fool you. Now, I want to make a fake video. I have a piece of PVC pipe here and some copper wire, and I'm going to wrap this wire around the pipe. Okay, I'm done with the winding now. This is a plastic plate, and now I'll glue the pipe onto it. I have an arc-shaped magnet, and I'll glue it right next to the coil like this. Now, I have a light bulb, and I'm connecting it to the two ends of the coil like this. Look at that, the bulb turned on. You see, A light bulb powered by just a coil and a magnet, and it's a total fake. In reality, this isn't a regular light bulb. I've put a battery inside it, and if I short-circuit the bulb's contact points, it lights up. That's exactly what the copper coil was doing. This was just like the video you watched a few moments ago. There are so many examples of these videos that if I wanted to talk about all of them, this video would become way too long. But as long as you understand the basic concept that energy cannot be created out of nothing, that's enough for you to easily spot fake videos. I hope I've been able to help you avoid wasting your money and blindly believing these things. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll respond to them. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.